am going to show you the step-by-step technique of 2 pranayama. So watch the video till end so that you don't miss any update. Subscribe this YouTube channel if you are new. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much. Namaste everyone, my name is Shahida. Let's begin. First, I want you all to sit in a comfortable meditative posture. And what does that mean? This is a meditative posture and the name of this meditative posture is Sukhasana. If you are not comfortable sitting on the floor, you can sit on the chair also. So, sitting straight, keeping the neck and spine erect, place your palms on your knee, join your thumb and index finger together. All 3 fingers are out. Name of this mudra is Chin Mudra. Eyes closed, have a beautiful relaxing smile on your face. And then first inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. 3 to 5 times just do it to relax yourself. After doing this, you will feel instant relaxation. And now we are going to practice Chandra Bhedi Pranayam. Chandra Bhedi Pranayam is highly beneficial for people who are suffering from nose bleeding, hypertension, high blood pressure, hyper acidity problem, people who are so anxious and they get angry. How you practice? Let me show you. So with the help of your right hand, you are going to adopt Vishnu Mudra. Make fist like this, then little finger and ring finger come up, slightly up, make U like this. Then bring your right hand close to your body, left hand on your left knee. With the help of your right thumb, close your right nostril like this. Keep your left nostril open. Inhale through your left. Close left, exhale through your right. Simple. Ratio is 1:1. Inhale 5 seconds, exhale 5 seconds. So keep your eyes closed. Inhale through your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale through your right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale left. Exhale right. One more time. Inhale left. Exhale right. If you are a beginner, so I suggest to practice like this only. And 5 inhalation and 5 exhalation. After few weeks of practice, 2 to 3 weeks of practice, you can increase the exhalation. So 5 seconds inhalation, 10 seconds exhalation. Once you are comfortable, then only. So how we do this practice? Inhale through your left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close your left. Exhale right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Inhale through your left. Exhale through your right. Inhale through your left. Exhale through your right. Longer the exhalation, calmer the mind. Now let me show you the second practice, and name of this practice is Shitali Pranayam. I highly recommend you all to practice Shitali Pranayam to keep yourself calm, relax from inside. And also this Shitali Pranayam prepares you for the meditation. So sitting in a comfortable cross-leg position on the mat or on the chair, and how you are going to practice Shitali Pranayam for complete beginner. Stretch your tongue out like this. Roll your tongue. Inhale through your mouth. Exhale through your nose. Right nose close. left nose open, exhale through your left. Inhale. Swallow the breath. Tongue relaxes between your upper palate and lower palate. Exhale through your left. Keep your eyes closed throughout the practice. Inhale through your mouth. And exhale through your nose, left nostril. After a few rounds of practicing Shitali Pranayama, you will feel the lighter and calmer effect of cooling pranayama. If you're not able to roll your tongue like this in Shitali, you can practice Shitakari. So how to practice Shitakari? You can join the teeth like this. Like this, and then when you are like doing the inhalation, it would be like this. Eyes closed, mouth closed. Close your right nostril. Exhale through your left. Inhale through your mouth. Swallow the breath. Close your right nostril and exhale through your left. Slowly. So how much Chandrabhedi Pranayam, Shitali and Shitakari you should practice? Chandrabhedi Pranayam you can practice for like 3 to 5 minutes, and this Shitali and Shitakari, if you are suffering from nose bleeding, hypertension, high blood pressure problem, so you should definitely practice 5 to 10 minutes. If you want to practice yoga under my guidance, you all are welcome to join my online yoga classes, which is conducted on Zoom Monday to Friday. Each session is 1 hour long. In everyday session, you are going to learn different asanas, pranayama, relaxation and many other practices to improve your overall health. Who can join these classes? If you are a beginner, you are most welcome. If you are already practicing yoga, you can deepen your practices. Also, if you are suffering from any health condition, you can also join these yoga classes, because I designed the sessions so that everybody is comfortable in the class. So I'm sure that you want to know more about these classes. So I'm sharing my website here, which is www.yogawithshahida.com, or you can do a WhatsApp on this number. Thank you for watching the video till end. Please practice these pranayama every day. If you have any suggestion, if you have any feedback, please feel free to comment below. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you have already subscribed, thank you so much. Please like this video. Please share this video so that if somebody is suffering from this problem, they can also get benefited. Keep practicing yoga, because consistency is the key. I'll see you all in next video. Take care of yourself. Namaste.